Welcome to the first video rebuilding my business from scratch. Complete transparency, which is really scary. I am going to share everything with you. My strategy, how I use my business planner and my journal, costs, income, plus the whole thing. So if your business needs an overhaul, this is perfect. Follow and make sure you don't miss everything. Stage one is complete. That was the complete shutdown, basically. I was still running a membership and I closed that in April. So May is the relaunch. Now, why did I do this? That's the big question. If you look back, maybe I'll tag the video. I got signed off sick, like mega sick. I'm signed off till next February. My health was a huge problem. And even though I'm restarting, the health is still an issue. I'm also going to talk about that in other videos. But it's certainly at a point in time when I can press the restart button. So I will be building slowly and gently from scratch, mainly talking about community building to start off with. To give you some history, I have been a coach for 23 years. Before that, I was in corporate. I did a business studies degree, business, family, blah, blah, blah. I was also just a general healer as well. I took 7 years out running a bricks and mortar business. That is one hell of a story I'm not going to go into now, but it ended in liquidation. Yes, I'm a business coach whose business went into liquidation. Deal with that. When I came back from that, I was too desperate to jump straight back into work. I'm always like that. This is a huge lesson I'm learning, and being signed off is my lesson of the fact that I have 53 years of jumping straight back into everything. So I took a breath and I stopped. Now, I'm not completely rebuilding from scratch, has to be said, because in the past 3 years, I was running a business membership and I was quietly hiding away from the world, creating the biggest online business course you could ever possibly imagine. But the reality of being a coach is that you cannot just jump straight into running a membership, selling an online course, selling your online program, doing VIP stuff. I tell my clients this all the time. My clients are actually doing really, really well. I was struggling to grow. And I was struggling to grow for 2 reasons. 1, my health. My nervous system is shot to pieces. 2, I've been out for 7 years. And what I need to do is rebuild the community. I actually need to tweak how I run my whole business and what my whole business is all about anyway because of my health issues. And I need to just start with one-to-ones, which is where everybody who is a coach or healer or therapist just needs to start. So if you're a coach, a healer, or somebody who's had to rebuild their business, or you're thinking that your business isn't working for you because you're so mega stressed, exhausted, and overwhelmed, then these videos are going to be for you. And I'd really like it if you shared, because if I could get to 10,000, I could have playlists and then I'd be able to organize them. Plus, I'm really scared about actually sharing costs and income.